Scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahma, class 61. Today we are going through a story related with the Shunda and Upashunda. Actually, this story is a part of the story of the marriage related with the marriage of Rudra with Parvati. So it is related with the formation of covalent compound from atoms. So let us go through this story. It says there was two demons named Shunda and Upashunda. They were friends. They got a boon from Brahma that they will die only if they fight each other. They got such a boon from Brahma. They sought for it. Why? They are good friends. They thought they will not fight each other, so they will become. There will be no death to them, so they will become immortal. After that, they attacked all the logas, three logas, through universes, complete universe. They conquered the three worlds, and all the gods. Gods means, as per Veda, all the things that is in the universe. Came under them, these demons. They were afraid of them. So all of them approached Brahma, and Brahma to kill this Shunda and Upashunda. Brahma created a beautiful lady that is called Tilokama in this story. And sent her in front of Shunda and Upashunda. On seeing this, for this lady, they will fight. They fought each other and died. This is the story. Actually, as per modern science, Shunda and Upashunda are atoms. That was created at the time of creation. We know atom cannot remain as such because they want to make 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. They cannot remain. Most of them are with less electrons. So they will fight each other with others to get electrons to make it 8. That is why the whole world is afraid of them. These atoms. Atoms are two types. Some are tendency to take electron and some are tendency to give out electron. That is why it is called Shunda and Upashunda. But both requires 8 electron in the outermost orbit. That is why they are trying to get it. Attracting all the things in this universe to make it 8. Such a dangerous creatures are this one, as per Purana story. That is why they are called demons. They are fighting for what? For getting electrons. So electrons are here in this story. These electrons are Tilottama, that beautiful lady. Atoms are with a proton in the nucleus, that is positive, and electron is negative. So it can be represented as a female beautiful lady in this story. It is presented in the likewise in this story. On seeing this electron, both these atoms require 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. There is a shortage, so they fought each other to get this electron and join together, form the molecules. So these Shunda and Upashunda atoms, when fought with each other for electrons, they join together. When they join together, they lost its characteristic as an atom. Molecule is entirely different from atom. Atoms are demons. They will attack any, but molecule will not attack because they got 8 electrons due to some chemical combination. So they lost the characteristic of atom, that is represented in the story of death of Shunda and Upashunda. The atoms are died and a new product is formed, that is molecule. So Shunda and Upashunda are died due to the fought between. Fought between means these electrons are joining these two. Electrons are taking part in the combination reaction, in sharing, or in ionic compound. In ionic compound, electron jump from one to another. In a covalent compound, they will share both the atoms. So the atom lost its characteristics and became calm, and that product is called a molecule. So this is the way in which atoms or demons are combining to form molecules. These are the stable products, and tilottamas or electrons are beautiful lady or tilottama are taking part in this reaction.